DIY Easy Handmade Men's Bracelet. Here are the materials needed. Step 1. Cut 150 centimeters of the nylon thread. Follow these patterns until you reach the end of the thread. Make sure to secure the thread tight so that it will not disassemble. Step to cut the excess thread. Cut it using scissors or cutter. Make sure to use it carefully and also use the lighter to secure the thread. Step 3. Repeat the pattern. Follow the pattern and make sure that the thread is secured. Repeat the pattern until you reach the end. Step 4. Cut the excess thread as well. Here is the final look. It is super easy to make. What are you waiting for? Make one now. Download the full PDF tutorial on the link below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey you, have you heard about Temu? Well, it is like Amazon, but the products are a lot more cheaper, like toys, beauty products, and more. Download the app by clicking the link below. Or just download it on App Store or Play Store and put the code FM78411 to get $100 voucher.